of the business world than simply abstract and theoretical or overly descriptive alternative. Business science and economics have started on the premise of the relative simplicity rather than complexity of a better presentation in terms of understanding and providing the opportunity for readers to understand more about economics for business in the book Economics for Business. Consumer and market demand for basic necessities such as gasoline price is generally a dominant factor. While other goods out of price is still important, the consumer may be more concerned with reliability, design, and desire to be in fashion. A successful company will seek to understand the factors that determine demand for its products. By tradition, we study the influence of the independent variable in isolation from one another. For example, how changes in beer price affect demand while all other factors are here constant. This is referred to as the ceteris paribus approach, other things being equal. See key concepts below. In fact, other things are unlikely to do so, and consequently, the conspicuous price can generally be defined as the price that other consumers think the consumer pay for the good, or more precisely, the price the other consumer think the people think they are paid for its good. Get the satisfaction gained by the owner of a Ferrari believes the others see that car as a luxury at a high price. Change in income ensure consumer to distribute spending among goods. The increase in income increase the consumption of normal goods. Decrease income has the opposite effect. In contrast, consumption of import goods refers to follow an increase in income, and vice versa. The inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. The law of demand gives a negative solution. For example, with a positive denominator, increase in price, and negative numerator, decrease in demand. The solution is negative. However, by convention, the minus C in omitted, and the price elasticity is presented as a positive number. Is a percentage change in price leads to a large percentage change in the demand. The price elasticity as a numerical value is greater than 1, and demand is said to be relatively price elastic. Or if demand had changed by a law that the percentage change in price, the price elastic in the one, and demand is inelastic relation to price. The concept gives a useful jargon. The case of increase results in an increase in total income and vice versa.
Halfway along it is curved, the price elasticity is unity. This marks the boundary between elastic and inelastic. The demand curve is also the average income and curve. However, under certain circumstances, a business might choose to sell a particular product unit at a different price. For example, prior to take off, an airline may sell Unisol sets discount. If an item is seen as a necessity, it is usually price inelastic. For example, example, food as a general commodity is priced inelastic over a wheat price range. Alternatively, necessities or luxuries are more likely to be elastic. Consumers often need time to adjust their consumption pattern to changes in prices. Generally, they may become more price elastic over time. For example, an increase in domestic gas price might have little direct impact on consumption. Gas applicants can only be replaced after they become worn or the demands then become longer elastic the more this longer time. Further, if a firm knows that the demand for its goods is inelastic with respect to price, it might safely raise prices and suffer a relatively small loss in market share while at the same time increasing its total revenue. The consideration of revenues and costs might also make it clear that prices are falling if demand is known to be price elastic. For even though incomes will rise, so will costs due to an increase in production. Companies need to estimate whether the increase in revenue is sufficient to offset the increase in cost. When the producer has a dominant brand, this allows pricing at a price that is higher than cost. A knowledge of price elasticity is also of relevance to the government when determining taxation strategies. A firm's knowledge of price elasticity is unlikely to be completely accurate because of the glue in estimates and information that might be correct at one time but might quickly become inaccurate as market conditions change. Therefore, we should not assume that companies have a full knowledge of price elasticity. In a competitive market, companies must be aware of how changes in competitors' price will affect the demand for their own goods. In an open economy, we are concerned with the international competitiveness of goods. We note the general application of the law of demand as illustrated by the sloping demand curve. In certain circumstances, this law may be violated, as is the case with given goods or speculative demand, although such cases are relative rare. Consumer attitudes to risk are also relevant. Some might not be willing to take the risk of making the world consumer choice and are therefore prepared to spend time and money researching alternative products. Others might be more willing to take the risk and in the providing a coverage against risking. In a market economy, it is usually assumed that consumers direct producers to produce the goods service they want. The implication is that the pursuit of profit by the company. Thanks.
Next, diminishing marginal rate of substitution making a consumer process units of commodities X and Y. The consumer may not be willing to sacrifice units of the Y to obtain additional units of X. The rate of exchange of export here will not, however, be constant and will depend upon the number of units of each good the consumer currently has. For example, if consumer has a lot of Y and little X, the rate of exchange of X for Y will be relatively large. That is, a larger amount of Y may be willingly sacrificed to obtain additional X. However, as Y becomes scarcer and X more plentiful, the rate of change falls. Favor X will now be will sufficient to obtain an extra unit of X. The properties of indifference curves possess the following properties. They have a negative slope so long as both goods are desirable. Both the consumer goods are opposite to bets, obtaining more on good without composting. Reduction in the order makes the consumer better off. To maintain the same level of utility, the consumer must the first unit of on good if obtaining additional units of the order, and indifference confer must therefore be downward sloping. In the French curve analysis, the assumption can be used to introduce indifference curve analysis. An indifference curve show combination of two goods that yield the sum total utility, such and the French curve IC2 is shown in figure. Consumer as consumer indifference and between in combination of goods X and Y consist on the indifference convert. In make point B on IC2. Assume the consumer also prefers more on the good and knowledge of another than any combination of goods above and to the properties of indifference curves. Indifference curves process gradually. They have a negative slope. Indifference curves are converged to the origin. I heard indifference converge denote utility. Indifference converge cannot intersect consumer but get constrained. The indifference convert show the willingness of consumer to exchange on commodity. For another, the ability to consumer particular combination of good and the trade and off. Again, another will over depend upon the consumer's disposable income and the relative prices of those goods. The level of income and product prices therefore is a constraint upon consumer choice. Consumer optimization. The consumer can choose a combination of goods along the back-line. Consumer relationality direction the consumer will wish to rack the highest possible in the right convert. Give this option, we can predict the consumer optimal consumption preference. Consumer respond to a check income. We can now use our analysis to examine how consumers react to change in income or price. First, consider the impact of an income just another an increase in money income, which contact factor, range factor, productivity each.
The next chapter 5, supply, cost and profits. In chapter 3, we outline the factor that affects demand for goods and service and consider how demand may vary with risks and other variables. In the same way, we can analyze the factors that determine the supply of the same goods and service and how change in this factor will affect the level of supply. The period of time during in which the firm achieves its level of production is of considerable significance, and we will distinguish between the short run and the which the firm in fact to add at least one factor of production in fixed supply. The long run when all factors become variable. The elasticity of supply is the same as the elasticity of demand. There is a dimension of supply response step to fixed change. No supply lag. Other things affect equal along the time period. The grade and then x-effect. It's also possible to choose a ration from the production of one community to other. So as the price or bid is related to beer, then a beer production facility can be moved to beer. However, explicitly one as a relative special factor of production that may soon be in short supply. Supply adjustment may be war greater. For example, an upgrade offered to tennis will have a direct impact on a supply. In the long run, all factors become a variable, and the company is able to change the scale of the factor. For example, by moving to a new production location, if firm can constantly convert all of their funds input, they will probably afford finishing a return at the variable factor and continue to offset minimum production cost. However, order and install addition of fear factor. Therefore, after adjusting for the fixed factor, the firm is now in no short-run situation and chance output again using more or less variable factor. Firm will also be able then scale of production can influence the ambient consumer unit production. Change at the scale of production can also affect production efficiency. There are the possibilities. Number 1, contents a return to scale. Number 2, increasing a return to scale.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.